Last minute last night, we decided to book a tour of all of the main attractions surrounding Taipei. So we're headed off to Yehliu Geopark, Shifen, and Jiufen, which is said to have inspired the movie Spirited Away, which we watched last night in preparation for this. It's all very last minute. Now I'm standing in Taipei main station. We booked our tour on Klook and we're about to head off on our bus. Alright, so we've made it to our first stop, which is the Geopark. Behind me is Zone 1. This is where the cute princess rock is. And then to my left is Zone 2, which is where the famous Queen's Head is. No one really knows how these rocks got here. It's for...
Yes, we do.
Is it... where is it? I thought that it came up when Taipei... when Taiwan... So the rocks got weathered into really cool shapes, which is why this is a famous Geopark. So we're gonna go explore it. So now we've made it to Shifen, and the first stop that we're doing is the waterfall. I am very excited about. I didn't even know we were coming here. Carson obviously did, because Carson knows every detail ever, always.
Yep, I like to be prepared in advance.
And I am quite excited. The bus, like Carson said on the bus, the tours are so fun. Sometimes it's nice just to have it all figured out for you. You don't have to worry about it. You're told where to go and when. Carson ordered his chicken wing on the bus. We ordered our lanterns on the bus. Bus is great. Even Carson, who is a bus hater,
I love buses. I love buses. There's no bus hater here. It just stressed me out because I'm worried about getting sick, but I love them. I think they're a great product, great service. Private cars, thumbs down.
So this is Shifen Waterfall. It's known as like the mini Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is in Canada. I've seen it myself. Canada has the better half of it, by the way, also. It does look a little bit like Niagara Falls. It's not the same like shape that Niagara Falls has, and it's really, really beautiful. There's multiple viewing platforms, so we're gonna get it from all angles, really take it in. But it's so nice. We finished at Shifen Waterfall and now we're headed into Old Street, which is where Carson's gonna get his chicken that was advertised on the bus, and also where we're gonna set off our lanterns. I thought that we did the lanterns in the other city, but there's lanterns in the sky here, and there's also fallen lanterns all over the place. Oh, great! It looks like a people train too. Anyways, as I was saying, there's lanterns all over the place here. They're in the sky and they're also fallen into the water and into the trees and stuff, which is a little sad to see them just kind of like polluting and garbage in the area. But we are excited to send up our lanterns. They gave you a bunch of different colors you could pick from. We picked the red one, which was for health and peace, because we thought it corresponded well with our new attitude that we found on this leg of our trip. So that's the one that we're doing. We didn't pick the prosperity or the study one, so it's not really related. But yeah, that's what we're heading off to now. So far the trip, the bus tour is amazing. We're having so much fun.
Okay, we're in the back of the lantern shop and we're all gonna write what we like want, our wishes on the lantern before we set it off.
This is our lantern. There's 4 sides. We wrote on all 4 sides. Like I said, we picked red for health and peace. But we kind of went rogue with our wants and wishes on the lantern. So I haven't actually seen what Carson wrote on his side. So what did you write?
What did you write?
I wrote be more flexible and create with passion, not direct on mine.
That's pretty good. Okay, this is the famous Shifen chicken wing. We ordered them on the bus. She said like this is the famous thing. It's famous from Sun Moon Lake, which we've been to and didn't get it there. And here, so perfect. It looks a little weird. It looks almost like a sausage. Really very good. Not too strong taste. It's filled with rice, which I think is a specialty.
Oh, weird.
Really delicious. Good little snack.
Does it have a bun in it? Wait, it's not focused. Okay, there we go.
It's like a hollow sausage made of a chicken wing wrapped around rice in the middle. Shockingly good, but a little weird. One more purchase here in Shifen is this special Taiwanese sausage. Our guide when we were walking up said this is the best place to get the Taiwanese sausage, so I had to get one. It was $2. Also get a raw head of garlic with it. I don't know if I'm supposed to eat that. It's like blazing hot. I don't know if I can eat it for you. I've had these before and I really like them. They taste like just like actual like cut up meat in a sausage wrap, like not like processed meat. It feels like they cut up like a chicken breast and put it in, which is kind of better. All the meat here in Taiwan tastes like very understated, which is good. One sec.
Yeah, take a bite of garlic. Is it good? It smells good. I can smell it from here.
That's really good, and it's definitely better than all the other ones I've had. I'm not lying. Got a lot of good flavor. Still that understated, like real meat tasting, but definitely a lot more marinated. Kind of sweet, like a nice sweet and savory type of flavor. And the garlic bite, I don't know. I think it adds something to it. Good snack.
We've made it to Jiufen, which is where, like I said in the intro, where Spirited Away was like inspired by. The streets are filled with these really cute lanterns, and now because it's 6:30, it's getting dark. So the whole place is lit up in this really pretty red color with all these cool lanterns. It's packed though because everyone's taking photos. So it's really hard to navigate these really teeny tiny little streets. But we've now taken the steps basically all the way down. And then we're gonna walk all the way back up and see all of the cute little shops. They're also giving out a ton of free samples of food, which is really good because we haven't eaten yet, so we're super hungry. So yeah, we're gonna explore and then go get some actual food, not just free samples.
Guys, the problem is with the nighttime tour, although I think it's better and prettier, it's Spirited Away. When the lanterns are on and it gets dark, that's when you become a spirit and get trapped forever, and your parents turn into pigs. So I'm a little worried about Hannah because sometimes she gets a little excited and eats too many free samples. And I might come and find that she's a big piggy.
Uh-oh. It's actually coming full circle. They're giving out so many free samples. I'm gonna be a little pig. That street with all the lanterns on that you saw us walk up and down is one of my favorite things that we've done traveling ever. It's so cool and it's so worth it to come at nighttime once all the lanterns are turned on. I don't know what it's like in the daytime, obviously, but it was so amazing at night. And yeah, it's a little busy, and yeah, people are kind of around taking photos all the time, and it's kind of annoying, but the street is beautiful, and the buildings are beautiful, and it's just like, it totally lived up to the hype. Like, I'm blown away by it. So I've been really wanting a mochi. We've actually never had them while we've been in Asia, and we finally got one. This one is strawberry tiramisu. It looks amazing. I don't want to touch it with my dirty, grubby little paws. This might be one of my favorite desserts. Not to be Carson, but this might become one of my favorite desserts.
Big review from Hannah. Let's try it out.
Well, Carson takes the whole strawberry. Isn't it good? It's like goopy.
That's nice. The filling is really good. That's amazing. So good.
Oh, I made it worse. Smooth. Yummy. Yeah. Thank you, Shifen. So the time has come. I avoided all of the food that Carson had to try, but there's one thing here that I have to try, and it's stinky tofu. I think it's fermented tofu. So I'm gonna try one raw, and then she gave us all these toppings and spicy to put on it. It definitely smells a little stinky. Surprising. It does smell, it smells a little funky. It's really good. Like, definitely way better than regular tofu. It has way more flavor. I don't really want to think too much about like the fermenting process. It's really good. So, nothing to be afraid of. And this was $45, which is like $2 Canadian. So, try a piece, Carson. You have to try a piece.
Let's see. Might just have a little bite. Yeah, doesn't smell great, does it? Oh, good.
I know.
Very good. It's like tofu if it had like its own flavor, not like a flavor of sauce. I give it a thumbs up. Worth eating.
I quite like it, but okay, let me give it a try with the spicy. So this is less spicy. It's like sauce. Spicy sauce, 10 out of 10. Okay, now I'm gonna try one with the chilies. So she said very spicy. So I'm gonna pick a piece that has the chili sauce in, and then put one of the chilies on. Here we go. Ready? Oh, that's pretty spicy. Oh, that's pretty spicy. It's good, but it's definitely spicy. Oh, and we don't have any water. Carson would die. Carson, eat one of the chilies. It's actually not that bad. I was overreacting. It's not that spicy. It's definitely spicy though. Like I said, we really like coming here at nighttime, and I definitely recommend the tours that start at 11 a.m. But what I was just saying is that you get 2 hours here, and when you first get here, at the same time as all the other tours are getting here, everyone's running to the photo spot because that's what the tours tell you to do. And then by the time you're done with photos and exploring, all of the food places are kind of shutting down. So what I would say is if you're coming here at around 5:30, you should skip the photos when everyone else is doing them, get food, wander the streets, and then go do photos when the streets are pretty empty because everyone else is sitting and eating because you get 2 hours here. So that's what I would recommend. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe because next after this, we got invited to China. If you want to see that and everything else we get up to, don't forget to subscribe so you stay up to date, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.